Hi, today we're going to learn how to use a fountain pen. Did you know that an insurance salesman in New York, Louis Waterman, developed the first truly functional fountain pen in 1884? There are many brands, but today we will look at the Lamy Vista, a demonstrator pen. The main parts are the nib, which is the metal tip that actually touches the paper, the feed, which is the plastic or ebonite component below the nib that delivers ink from the reservoir to the nib, the section where the nib fits in and attaches to the barrel, which is the main part of the pen that houses the ink reservoir, the converter, your ink filling mechanism. You can always use a cartridge. The cap, which covers the nib and attaches to the pen body, and the clip, a metal attachment to the cap that holds the pen in place in your pocket. There are many inks like Lamy, Pelikan, Quink, and Pilot, but today we're going to use Lamy to fill up our fountain pen. Unscrew the barrel and take out the converter, and dip it face down into the bottle and twist it to fill it up with ink. And then wipe the nib with a piece of clean tissue. Close the cap of your ink bottle to prevent a spillage, and then screw back the section into the barrel and close your pen. You are now prepared to write on paper. Now, paper quality is just as important because you want to avoid paper which produces feathering, bleeding, or ghosting. The nib size alters the width of your letters, and you can have fine nibs and medium nibs and broad nibs and stub nibs. Here I'm going to write the most important name in your career.